Hi guys, Lady Joyful here from, you might know me from my blog, The Joyful Soul Creates. If you've been following my blog, you know I have been eagerly awaiting the arrival of my big shot that I recently ordered, and it just arrived today in this huge box. I did order a couple of other things as well, but as it's the package comes with a few, sorry, that's my cat. Just a second. Okay, sorry about that. So, yeah, I ordered a Big Shot starter set which comes with a random selection of dies and I think embossing folders as well. So I thought it might be fun to have a look through it together. A lot of packaging in here. I think this is probably... will be good for packing some room. One of the other things I ordered was this Sizzix, I don't know if you can see that, Sizzix paper trimmer. I've seen this used on a lot of card making videos, and my current paper trimmer was causing a lot of problems. I also got a bone folder because I don't have one yet, so I thought I would throw that in. Take the lid off and see what we have here. So, oh, there's some stars. These are Sizzix Framelits, nested stars. Oh, it's a whole pile of things. Okay, let's start with the stars. It's nested stars. There's lots of things I could do with that. And some hearts. There are also Sizzix Framelits, hearts, circles. Oh, if you've been following my blog, you know circles is why. It's a big reason why I decided to get the Big Shot, because I'm rubbish at cutting them out, so this is exactly what I was hoping for. And then there's this one which is hexagons. I just had to check that. 6 sides, so that's hexagons, so those are very useful. This is Tim Holtz tattered poinsettia. Ooh, leaves. Also, these are also Tim Holtz. As you can see here, Tim Holtz, and these are the tattered leaves. These are. So this is. Another Sizzix one, a Sizzlits, these are. This is the swirly vine, I don't know if you can see there. Flower with leaves, another Sizzlit, and a corner flourish Sizzlit. Oh wow, I do like butterflies, you may have noticed on my blog. So this is Thinlits, I think. This is their Thinlits Winged Beauties. 2 embossing folders from Sizzix. These are by Rachel Bright, Textured Impressions. This one has a butterfly on as well. Like I said, I do like butterflies, and that doesn't make a nice textured background there. Kind of diamond shape. This is the butterfly lattice set. I'll try and squeeze these other bits out. There's another Tim Holtz bigs. I think, yeah, the other 2 I showed were bigs. I didn't notice that, sorry. Tattered florals. So now I have the tattered leaves, tattered florals, and tattered poinsettia. Let's try and get this one. Oh, that's cute. This is another Sizzix Bigs, owl number 2, this is. He's very cute. My mum likes owls, so I'm sure I could make something with that for her. Still a few more. This one, oh, this is the cutting pads, extended cutting platform. We have, this is a Tim Holtz decorative strip. You see all the different lovely little leaves and branch. This is spring greenery, this one. Oh, I like that. It's another decorative strip, Tim Holtz again. And this is just called Alphabetical. Have another Bigs. This one's Eileen Hull. I think all the other ones have been Tim Holtz so far, but this is Eileen Hull, and this is Flower Layers with Heart Petals. I think that might be... Oh, there's one more. I hope I'm not getting my face in the way of the frame. This is a Bigs Basics set, so it's a heart, an arrow, a flower, and a star, as you can see. Oh, I like that too. Well, honestly, I like all of them, but it's the Thinlits. It has some different words. You and me, happy, smile, and hello. This is from Craft Asylum, I guess. And this is friendship expressions. Then another Tim Holtz one. The Embossing Folders. Texture Fades. I like the look of that as well. Oh, look, more butterflies. And grass as well, that'll be useful. This is springtime background and border sets, so I guess this one is background and these are just borders, which makes sense. When I took this out of the bigger box, oops, I was collapsing here, I did find there was one more, another Thinlit, which is this sweet little fairy. It's called Fanciful Fairy. Designed by Pete Hughes. So this is Big Shop in its box, which says it comes with one pair of standard cutting pads and one extended multi-purpose platform. Let's open up this side. So there's the handle, and it's presumably for attaching the handle. So that's the machine itself. So this is, yeah, you can clearly see here these cutting plates are much shorter than the one that came in the package. So okay, there we go. Got it out of the package, I think. No, there we go. There's the instructions, so I'll have to read over these and make sure I know exactly what I'm doing before I get started with anything. Okay, it does tell you how to build your sandwich, which would be very helpful. These are the smaller cutting plates. I might have to put a label on them because I know that they can get warped if you're always using the same way up. So I think if I put a label on one side, then I know that I should vary which way around I'm putting them. This is the multi-purpose platform, which has for cutting and for embossing. From what I understand, you put I think this is for, yeah, this is for cutting. So then you would put your cutting plate, then your die, obviously out of the package, anyway, cutting plate, then paper, then you put your die on, then your other cutting plate on top, and then you wind it through, cranking the handle. Actually, whilst I'm here, I will show you, if you read my card post yesterday, the one with the Purple Knight card, you will have seen that I ordered that new tree stamp. I also got some dies and a couple of embossing folders there, so I will just go and grab those to show you. Right, so that's the stamp that I used yesterday, the Stamperia oak stamp. I got these Cartabella dies, designer dies there. Scripty word says forever, a little heart, an arrow, and a tiny little banner. Got this Doris embossing folder, which I thought was really cute, so I wanted that. That is a birthday collage, that one. And I also got this X-cut embossing folder with the filigree circle. Actually, I was expecting this to be smaller than it is. I'm not sure it actually fits properly on the size of card I would normally make. And I also got the clear winged Stella, and today I bought some post-it tape because that's handy for masking. I think that's everything. So quite a lot of things here. Lots and lots and lots of lovely things, and I'm desperate to get started making something. But anyway, if you'd like to see more videos, do let me know. I can do more craft haul videos when I buy things, and I could also do videos showing you how I make my cards, if that's of interest. But thank you for watching. This has got a bit long, but I'll probably cut bits out, and see you again soon. Bye!